Welcome to the tropical paradise of Cairns, Queensland, where the sun-kissed shores meet the crystal clear waters. Today, we embark on a journey to discover two gems nestled in the Great Barrier Reef, Green Island and Fitzroy Island, both just a 45-minute boat ride away, and both priced between $90 and $100, and both offering a slice of paradise. So the question is, which one is better? And which one should you choose if you're on holiday? Let's help you make that decision. Let's start with Green Island. Known for its lush rainforest and vibrant coral reefs, Green Island is a haven for nature lovers. The island is adorned with stunning walking trails, inviting you to explore the heart of this tropical wilderness. Green Island is a snorkeler's dream come true. Dive into the crystal clear waters and witness a kaleidoscope of the colourful blend of fish and coral beneath the surface. The vibrant coral gardens and diverse marine life make for an unforgettable experience. For those seeking adventure above the waterline, Green Island offers stand-up paddleboard hire, a glass-bottom boat ride, and the chance to see Cassius, the largest and heaviest and oldest crocodile in the world in captivity. Now, let's set our sights on Fitzroy Island, another jewel in the crown of the Great Barrier Reef. Known for its stunning beaches, namely Nudie Beach, and its rugged landscapes, Fitzroy Island offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. With the white coral beaches, you can unwind and soak up the sun. The calm waves and tranquil atmosphere make up for that perfect lazy day in paradise. Like Green Island, you can also snorkel in Fitzroy. Best snorkeling spot here between the rocks and Nudie Beach. As Green Island is situated a bit further out among the outer reef, you will get slightly better marine life in Green Island. Now, if you enjoy hikes, Fitzroy Island may be for you, as this island has a longer hike, which can take 2 to 3 hours return to the lighthouse, where Green Island is more a leisurely 45-minute stroll around the whole circumference of the island. Fitzroy Island, being the larger of the two, boasts a captivating walk up to the iconic lighthouse. The panoramic views from the summit are nothing short of breathtaking, offering a perfect vantage point to admire the vast expanse of the reef. On the other hand, Green Island takes a more leisurely approach with a relaxed walk that takes just about 4 to 5 minutes to circumnavigate the entire island. This gentle stroll through the lush greenery allows you to immerse yourself in the tranquility of this tropical haven without breaking a sweat. When it comes to snorkeling, Green Island takes the lead. The waters surrounding the jetty offer unparalleled visibility, allowing you to witness the vibrant marine life in all its glory. The clear turquoise waters makes for an enchanting underwater experience that's hard to match. So whether you're drawn to the panoramic views of Fitzroy Island's lighthouse, the leisurely stroll around Green Island, or the spectacular snorkeling between both islands do have something extraordinary to offer. If you want a cheaper experience, you can actually camp on Fitzroy Island, where Green Island only offers day trips and the resort accommodation. I hope you found this video entertaining. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time for more tips and info on what to see.